morning. Today is Wednesday and it's February the 14th. The time right now is 8:36 in the morning, and overnight we have a big move in across all markets. That was to be expected because last night we were expecting the release of the consumer price index, which is the CPI. Market was expecting CPI to continue to trend lower, but the number came out stronger than expected. On a month-on-month basis, the headline CPI numbers was at 0.3%, which is the same as in January. Same as in December, but the market was expecting lower at 0.2%, whereas the core headline numbers actually rose to 0.4% against expectation of 0.3%. So again, expectation versus actual, not so much against the previous. And on the year-on-year basis, the CPI numbers and the headline was actually dipped to 3.1%, which is much better than the December number of 3.4%. But again, this is expectation. Market was expecting 2.9%, so it came out 3.1, so it was a lot stronger than expected. And on the core CPI numbers on the year-on-year basis, it came in the same as 3.9%, which is the same as in December. But the market was expecting again 3.7%. So all said and done, we can see the market reacted quite violently. We can see equity markets actually crash 2% overnight. And the dollar actually surged now because the expectation is for rate cuts, right? So now with this very strong CPI numbers, the expectation of the Fed cutting interest rates, at least for now, has been delayed because the Fed hands are tight. They cannot possibly cut interest rate in the face of surging inflation. In fact, CPI numbers has been climbing higher over the last 4 months or so. So this is evident that rates may stay higher for longer, perhaps until the middle of the year. So this actually rose bets that the dollar will continue to strengthen overnight. And we can see the dollar index at 104.85 is the highest since the beginning of the year, and we are looming towards 107 something, which is the high traded in October. So that will be the main target to be heading for as we move into the weeks ahead. So for now, the dollar remains very strong. Now, yesterday's update actually allured to the idea that we can buy near the November close, which is the 103.46. This actually happened last night. The low traded was 103.37. So we can see prices has risen quite a fair bit, and it closes near the end, the upper end of the dollar movement last night. So based on this movement, I think we should be able to see higher prices in hours ahead. Okay, tomorrow we have the release of the retail sales number, followed by Friday by the producer price index. So we're gonna see some kind of volatility lasting all the way to your Friday's trading. This is all I have for you, and you take care, and I'll come back to you tomorrow with further updates.